All right. Where are we? All right, so we broke this sucker, right? So we have to hold this. Now the question is if they do it quick enough. That would be what today? 491. Do we get down to that? No, we are at the low. So there's the 830 reset. So it's gonna be probably a solid red day here because you're gonna have this down trade right from here, and then the acceleration right. There's one, two ish. Actually, there's another one there. What time is that? 8:44 to. Yeah, that's probably one here. Yeah, we'll see. I think we might. This might be the first one, really. This is the first downtrend that they're working on. So they'll bounce off this. So here's the first one right here that I can really see that's clean. Came up, right? Retested it right here. So that's what you like. You got a nice little hammer here, right? Got a bump in volume, comes up, retests it. Now the issue here is that you can still keep retesting it on the way down, right? You keep bouncing on this side of it. So the question is, can you get a bullish divergence going here, or is this is where it hammers up for the day? I'm gonna wait. Just wait and see here. All right, so why are you up? Wow, they have a 305 on theirs. That's kind of. Wow. Wow. Amgen's hurting. That could have been. Yeah, it's got to hold that. Really, it has to kind of hold 138 for the day. Yeah, she's got to hit. She's got to hold basically right here. All right, because then if you do, you're gonna break this RSI trend. You're gonna break this uptrend here from the share price. Probably start rolling over. Maybe come down for a double bottom, potentially slowly grinding down, getting a little bit lower. share price, but yeah, again, another higher RSI, which could be in play here. That might be a possibility if it still holds this RSI uptrend, Ray. Right? If it can hold this, but yet we get a slower RSI, that's going to be nice. Not that I want Amgen to go down any further, but that's what we'd be looking for. Or, sorry, Biogen. I say Amgen. Oy. More coffee. I might go green tea today, though, for my second. Alright. Who's getting crushed this morning? Twist. Why? Just Kathy Wood. Huh. Let's get over that. Do some options trades here. Might do some options trading today. You're going to get something. The volatility is going to give you something cheap. Not on these, but just in general. Probably your larger tickers, you might get a chance. I would, in terms of probably options today, you might find something really cheap with the bio reactor. Excuse me. Jeez. Should shut off the microphone for that one. I'm sorry. Anyway. Still sticking to what's been our watch list. Probably going to stick with that for next couple days. There's really nothing coming on. We're just waiting for earnings to kind of shake some things out here. SPY. This break is the concern, right? And then the other concern is, like, what's the next? Maybe... That's the next one, really? Maybe? And after that would be down here. So, what are we looking at? Yeah, maybe a retest from their previous highs. I mean, still could hold this. This could be the bottom today, which is just hitting this 492 area, which could be enough. And if it hits it and bounces off it high enough, you could probably still maintain this RSI trend. Because, RSI really, it doesn't really, how should I say this? It could be low, but that doesn't mean that's where it finishes for the day, right? So the low point, it might not even actually register it being below here on this chart. What it'll do is it'll just, what's the kind of the end of the day. So we'll go with that. Anyway, I'm going to keep it short today. I can barely talk. So let's go with same thing as yesterday. I'm not adding anything because I'll probably have to wait for the opening to see what really gets punished. And then I guess I'll add to that if we need to. All right. Again, if you have any tickers that you want me to go over, stick them in the chat. I have some ETFs I need to review. I'll add to those to the list as well. Got to do some portfolio work. And I have another piece that I'm working on Ober. That'll be out today. Anyway, stay patient. Again, this might be another day. Just wait for that 10:30, 11 mark to see if the market reverses. Get that turnover. And be patient, and then revisit maybe at 2, 3 o'clock, see what's going on. It hasn't been really that great. Just waiting for a lot of these tickers that have been eyeing to break their downtrends, and they haven't. So those are the best opportunities. That's where I'm going to put things. So everything else, although there might be some things that might be trading below our buy thresholds and targets, to me, the opportunity is as great as some of these other guys that I'm just waiting, like Bayer, Pfizer, these big healthy dividend guys, where not only are you going to get you're going to improve yields, but you might see a solid snapback soon too. So anyway,